What up, my cruisers? This is AZ Cruiser here, and I'm gonna be doing another unboxing video today. And the two things I'm gonna unbox today is the Jaco Superior Power Sports products tie-down ratchet straps. Includes 4 medium-duty ratchet straps, 1x15, and a premium drawstring storage bag. So why did I get this? Well, if you're going on adventures like me and on trips, you need something to tie stuff down. You know, you never know. It's always good to have straps down. So I got this, and I got this on Amazon. Both these things I got on Amazon. This box is a Bunker Industry off-road traction boards 2-piece recovery set for getting out of sticky situations. We're gonna unbox this too, but first we'll do the Jaco ratchet straps. So here we go. And I didn't get this on Amazon. I actually got this from Cabela's. In case you guys are thinking, oh, you got that on Amazon too? Nope. I got this at Cabela's. And we're actually gonna we're using the wrong tool. Pocket knife. There we go. One cut. Now, straps. Comes with a little decal. There's a little bag to get with it. So again, I got this in the link in the description from Amazon. Disclaimer: if you buy stuff on my links, I get a commission from Amazon, so it helps out the channel. So I appreciate it if you're looking for ratchet straps. There you go. Now for the traction boards. Go. Some straps too, I guess. Just get this out the way. So I'm probably going to secure these with maybe 2 of these ratchet straps on the top. These are 13 inches by 22.8. Side by side. The back looks. And they're temperature resistant. They can go down to below 30 degrees Celsius or 22 degrees Fahrenheit, and they can go up to 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So we'll probably test these out in another video, but that's what they look like. All right, there's a little unboxing for the Jaco tie-down straps and the Bunker Industries traction boards. All right, AZ Cruiser out.